This is our case study on Flyer Talk for social media measurements with Dr. Lily Zhang. Members of our group include Casey, Beth, and myself, Chuck.
Many companies use humor to draw in customers. An example of this is this video of an airline attendant providing a humorous experience, which also leads to great reviews.
We pretend to have your attention for just a few moments. My ex-husband, my new boyfriend, and your divorce attorney to show the safety features series. It's been a long day for me. You probably fasten your seatbelt on the fire. The buckles are going to be slipped up on the buckle. Position your seatbelt tight low across your heels. I might grab the first support wall. If you imagine you're going to friends about all this, ways to get there. Two forward exit doors, snorkeling window exits, two rear exit doors, signs overhead, disco lights, no forwardly beach exit. Everybody gets a door prize and seat back look in front of you along with your dappers, chewing gum, wrinkles, banana peels, and all of the future reports. It's a safety information card. Take it out, check it out. You'll notice in the highway lightweight. Then for the captain left Sierra on top, everybody gets their very own teeny weeny yellow Southwest bikini. One size fits all. Take it all the way to yourself. Place it over your head. Up and straight front waist. Up and down. Take it back. Once that's all pulled in, you're going to have to play to make it like over to your shoulder. Options for coming really hard. They don't tell them how good looking they are. You know, make sure your seatbelts in place. When you're in your full, all right now, so you'll say, oh, in front of you reading absolutely no regularly or fees. As you know, it's no smoking, no whining, no complaining flight. It's such a reason, thank you, and you are such a good looking flight attendant flight. Smoking is never allowed aboard Southwest because smoking laboratory is meant to $2,000. If you want to pay after your airfare, you should have loved somebody else. If we do make you that nervous the next hour and a half, you're more than welcome to step outside. We discriminate at Southwest. It's a special smoking section just for you. We'll get to tell you what you tonight. We have up in the air. And the flight attendant serving you things like the and her mother if you want, you can smoke it. Now the hot is here at the same way as running smoke and take for all wet and make laboratories. Federal aviation regulation for passengers and flights. A lot of passenger regulation saying the passenger flight is basically just do what we say and nobody gets hurt. And although we did reach a scale loss of cabin pressure, if we did, we certainly would be at work tonight. If needed, products announced off the department overhead. Stop screaming, let go of your neighbors, pull on that plastic tubing as policemen, and place a mask over goes and out normally. To activate the wall of oxygen, simply insert 75 sticks in the first minute and all of the plastic bag in our like we are receiving lots and lots of gin. And if you're traveling with small children, we're sorry. If you're traveling with more than one child, pick the one that you think might have the most earning potential down the road. And if you're traveling with somebody needing very special assistance, like your husband, or your lifeguard or expert, that's it for the reason to go for show and tell, sit back and relax, or you can sit up and get tense. Either way, so I'm not like any points on TV. Seriously, if there's anything at all we do to make the flight more enjoyable, please tell us. Just as soon as we land in Salt Lake City. And if there's anything you can do to make our flight more enjoyable, we'll tell you immediately when it's time to Southwest. That's what we call very cheap entertainment. Nobody has to pay extra, but you certainly don't get a refund. That's safe for you. Southwest will be.
Thank you so much for watching that video. We really hope you enjoyed it. It's one of our favorites. So to start off our case study, we'd like to talk a little bit about the history of Flyer Talk. Flyer Talk was founded in 1986. It is an online community to provide frequent travelers a place to discuss the travel happenings, wants, and needs. They also developed and worked with products specifically to enhance the travel experience. This unique niche is what makes FlyerTalk.com one of the most highly trafficked travel domains in the world today.
Worldwide, these programs and products are in airlines, hotels, car rentals, and even credit card industries, which have more than 75 million members who earn an accumulated in excess of 650 billion miles per year. The members of FlyerTalk.com have opportunities to communicate in multiple ways, including offering reviews, Facebook, Twitter, private messages, chat rooms, and forums on multiple relevant subjects.
So now we're going to go into the problem of our case study. As an enormous communication center for travelers throughout the world, one of the problems is that FlyerTalk is mining the amount of information. They knew that the feedback that current and potential customers provide within the network of communication duplications was a rich source of feedback. The process of garnering the details from such an abyss of information is quite daunting.
They came up with a solution and they hired Anderson Analytics to put that solution into place. What they use is a full service market research with cutting edge software, SPSS, that provides text analytics and data mining.
So the steps that include through this process are the 3 steps is data collection, second step is texting, coding, and categorization, and the third step is texting, mining, and visualization. The text analytics project is usually part of a much larger data mining project that would typically involve the identification of core strategic questions and the allocation of resources, and the eventual implementation of these findings. However, the focus of this case study is to describe the tactical aspects of text analytics project to delineate the 3 basic steps involved in the text analytics, as I mentioned before.
Step 1, data collection. This includes the process of defining the source materials and collecting that data. A frequent process to collect this data is called web scraping. Web scraping programs turn information from the data source, blogs, forums, or chat rooms, and set them into data table preparatory to step 2. One of the challenges that this process faces is that quoted materials within these sources have to be sorted out of the data to avoid duplication of information, which could alter the balance of quantitative results from the qualitative data collection of certain discussion points.
Examples of such duplication might be the forum discussing hotel loyalty programs. In order to specify the reply being offered to a comment, it is sometimes necessary to reference that specific comment. This quoting typically appears at the beginning of your reply and simply shows up as a text to the web scraping software. These duplications must be sifted out to prevent double counting.
Step 2, texting coding is used for sites such as flyertalk.com because this is an interactive process. The amount of text included in most discussion board posts typically requires dichotomous codes. This means it is divided into branches, so it is easier to sift through the data.
And lastly, step 3. Text mining is mining or digging for positive/negative comments in overlapping terms. Most of the negative discussions that customers are posting are centered around payment process, condition/quality of their bathroom, furniture, and the check-in, check-out process. The positives or praises are centered around the spa facilities, complimentary breakfast points, and promotions.
By using text mining comparing the coded text of data of Starwood and Hilton forums, the researchers found that posters seemed to like the beds at Starwood but preferred the food and health club facilities at Hilton.
So to wrap up our case, we wanted to just summarize it in the conclusion slide. This case described how text analytics was applied to information posted by users of travel and hospitality services. But the same techniques can be applied to other industries. Many industries have found that they can compete far more effectively if they gain a true 360 view of their customers. The feedback that current and potential customers provide in blogs and other spaces provide a rich source of feedback. Using text analytics to monitor this information helps organizations gauge customer reaction to products and services. A company might find that when it launches a special promotion, customers mention the offer frequently on their online posts. Text analytics can help identify this increase as well as the ratio of positive and negative posts relating to the promotion. It can be powerful to validate a current course of action or the correct course.
It's a powerful strategy provided by modern communication and the technologies that support it.
If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comments.